Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Bitcoin is poised for a weekly rise as Trump announces the creation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, while Nvidia sees its market cap plummet by $1 trillion since its peak earlier this year. CVS Health remains resilient as Walgreens struggles amidst industry challenges, and U.S. stocks take a hit following the latest jobs report, with Wall Street bracing for significant weekly declines. The Trump Organization has filed a lawsuit against Capital One over 2021 account closures, and xAI is set to expand its data center footprint in Memphis. As higher tariffs loom, questions arise about their impact on big box stores. Meanwhile, Wedbush expresses confidence in Tesla despite fading concerns over Doge and Elon Musk's influence. Finally, Canada's iconic Hudson Bay faces potential bankruptcy according to Wall Street Journal reports. Stay tuned after the short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Bitcoin is set for a 4.6% weekly rise after former President Donald Trump established a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a United States digital asset stockpile through an executive order. The Bitcoin in this reserve will remain unsold.
Nvidia, traded on Nasdaq, has experienced a market cap decrease of about $1 trillion since its peak earlier this year. The U.S. tech giant's stock has fallen over 20%, taking it out of the exclusive $3 trillion club.
Walgreens has entered a challenging merger and acquisition deal with private equity firm Sycamore Partners. As a result, CVS Health remains the only publicly traded brick-and-mortar pharmacy chain in the U.S. after Rite Aid's bankruptcy.
Wall Street's main indices experienced notable weekly losses with stocks falling on Friday. This drop came after U.S. non-farm payrolls increased less than expected. The S&P 500 index decreased by 1.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite also declined, indicating investor worries about economic growth.
President Donald Trump's company has filed a lawsuit against Capital One Financial Corporation. The suit alleges that the bank wrongfully closed more than 300 accounts in 2021. The Trump Organization argues that this action was an attack on free enterprise.
Elon Musk's generative AI startup, xAI, is growing in Memphis, Tennessee. The company has acquired a 1 million square foot property in the city's southwest region.
Big box stores selling products from Mexico and China might encounter difficulties if proposed tariff increases on imports from these countries, as well as Canada, are implemented. We examined how these potential changes could impact their operations.
Wedbush Securities has included Tesla in its best ideas list, marking an important moment for the electric vehicle stock. Analyst Dan Ives thinks that negative views are currently prevalent, but he believes Tesla is entering a major phase.
Hudson Bay, the historic Canadian department store known for its striped blankets and luxury clothing, is reportedly nearing bankruptcy. Originating in the 17th century fur trade in Winnipeg, Canada, this iconic retailer is facing financial struggles according to the Wall Street Journal. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights to fuel your financial journey. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.